How to see deleted WhatsApp messages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply click on Apps and Notifications. After you click on Apps and Notifications, you will find Notifications in here. Click on Notifications. Scroll down and click on Advanced. After you click on Advanced in here, simply click on Notification History. Make sure you turn on Notification History, as if somebody deletes message, you will be able to see in Notification History in here. Another thing what you can do is open WhatsApp. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find all these options. In these options, click on Settings, which is the last option. After you have clicked on Settings, in here, click on Chats. After you have clicked on Chats in here, simply select Chat Backup at the bottom. Then, click on Backup at the top. Now, at the bottom, click on Automatic Backups. After you've clicked on Automatic Backups, simply select the one you prefer. After turning on backups, if your message is backed up and the person deleted it, it will back up as soon as you click on backup. And this is how to see deleted WhatsApp messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.